bugs are set, airspeed set. Radio altimeters, we got 9,000 and 6,300 on the landing distance and 4,100 on the ground roll. No temperature correction required. Taxi plan will be...
Yeah, walk through ground.
Ground, pilot.
Go ahead.
Standard AWAC start. 3, 4, 2, 1. Call rotation ignition and any malfunction.
Cargo post. Copy that. Start in 3. Now.
Valve open.
Rotation. 15%.
Okay, so they ended the tool inventory a few minutes ago and we've started 3 engines.
35%.
Valve close.
Bixby, aircraft tech configuration. Marshal's out front of you, I'll be clear off interphone, exit your right.
Boat now, there
Gotcha.
we go.
Four and 5. Good right turn from the right.
Before takeoff checklist.
Okay, before takeoff checklist. Speed very clever.
Full forward and detent.
Flaps.
14, 2 green lights.
Stab trim.
500 feet, clear for takeoff.
Puts about 2 clear for takeoff, runway through on right.
Last 4.
Winds are good.
Crew, we are cleared for takeoff.
And set takeoff power.
Knots. Passing 700 for 9,000 left turn to Naban. Left turn direct Naban.
1752, contact.
Approaching heading.
Check. Engineer, set MRT after takeoff climb check.
Okay, after takeoff climbs.
MC Nav, we are...
3,000 feet. Altimeter is 30.03.
That is.
Good.
302.
It's picking it up, but very, very quiet.
Left heading 110 at 302. Whistler 53, climb Whistler 187.
Continue climb now 180, Whistler 52.
Crew up to 180.
But there's a lot of stuff that gets left out. Oh, okay. You're really not going to see all the flares, which is an HO system, and it's a lot slower, a lot lower fidelity, and transmits on. It might be a helicopter. It's not a very normal but the weird thing is that there's like 5 or 6 of those, you know, that say French Rafale. If you want to do it,
oh yeah, and you already, he's right there.
Roll one.
Right there. On your way here? Nope.
What's the turn range?
MCC request a seatbelt light.
Make a 50 mind up.
Traffic is...
Turning.
Looks like it.
Mine's a complete 1040.
90.
290, almost half a mile.
I'm ready for their tail whenever you guys are.
There, you stagnating.
Yeah, everything's under control. Your aircraft.
My aircraft.
Just take your time, get the feel for her.
Roger that.
The name does sound familiar though.
With the pilot training with both of them.
Down to 42. There. There's knees. Creep. Don't pull it out just yet.
Contact.
Contact.
5-2 contact.
And 42's contact.
Checks. Yeah, I had dropped down a little bit. Was that what that was?
Yeah. Very nice. Still sitting about 1 minute. Okay, you're inside by 6.
Roger.
Okay, try and match his wings. There you go. Nice job, kid. Okay, still sitting low. You're good for distance. It's just your
Disconnect.
Boom's clear. Nice.
Doors come closed.
Thank you.